is the plastic bag. You can use non-sterile plastic bag which has been used to ethylene oxide sterilization. Gas sterilization is possible, and you can use those bags. And when you cover the baby with the plastic bag, whatever is evaporated, so you won't dry the baby after delivery. You just wrap the baby in the plastic bag, and whatever water vapor evaporates, because the baby is under the radiant heater as well. So the evaporation will be confined to this plastic bag region. So the relative humidity goes up to very high levels, and the heat loss from the baby by evaporation is stopped. So when the insensible water loss stops because the relative humidity is high, there is no barrier, no gradient for further evaporation, and so the temperature is maintained. So in a very small baby, having a high humidity is one of the main mechanisms which helps to maintain the temperature.